In this video, I'll show you how you can export a Premiere Pro sequence out to a video file that you could use for YouTube or other social media. First, select your sequence, make sure it's highlighted. Go over to File, Export, Media, or you could use the shortcut Control-M on the PC or Command-M on the Mac. This is the export window using Premiere 22.2 and earlier versions. If you're using version 22.3 or later, it has a different interface, and I covered that all in another video. Check that one out. So I won't go into the details of every setting. I'll save that for another video, but I'll show you which ones are the best to use in most cases. You can leave Match Settings unchecked. Click on Format. Select H.264. And on Preset, select either 4K or 1080 depending on your project. If you look at Output Name, you can click on the blue text. You'll be able to rename it and save it in the location you want. Make sure Export Video and Export Audio are both checked if you want them both. Under Summary, you'll be able to see your source parameters and what your output will be. The video for height and width, you don't need to change anything there. Here you have the drop-down for hardware encoding and software encoding. You should use hardware encoding whenever possible. You'll probably get better performance from the video card doing the processing. Under bitrate encoding, click and select VBR1 pass. From the high-quality preset selected earlier, it's choosing a value of 80 as the bitrate, which is a little high. You can see at the bottom, estimated file size is over 3 gigs. I usually recommend a bitrate of 50 for 4K and 35 for 1080p. This video I'm exporting is 4K at about 5.5 minutes, and with a bitrate of 50, I'm getting around 2 gigs. If you're doing videos that are longer, like an hour, you might want to use 1080p, which will allow you to use smaller bit rates. Last step is just to verify the audio. Just click on the audio tab on top. Just check all the defaults that you see here. You don't have to change anything. And when you're done, just click the export button. The box will pop up and show the estimated time that it'll take to encode the video. And that's it.